Want to know how to sign out of Microsoft 365? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, just simply open up your M365 Copilot application or the website. So we have also created some videos on how to sign in and how to access this, so make sure to watch it. So now you should be on this interface once you have signed in with Microsoft 365. And now in order to sign out, it's super simple. On the bottom left side, you should be seeing your username or your name right here. So you can just paste like that. So now here you should be seeing various options popping up. And now on the top right side, you should be seeing this small sign out icon. You can just paste like that. And with a single click, you should automatically be signed out of Microsoft Copilot or Microsoft 365 just like this right here. Now you can also sign back in normally, like we have created videos about it as well, and you should be good to go. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of this and other videos. See you in the next one.